Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College.
Standard Second, Subject English Grammar, Topic How many and how much. Students, today we are going to learn how many and how much by a beautiful song. So let's start. How many hats can you see? One, two, three. How many books can you see? One, two, three. That means you can count them. One, two, three. So you end up asking how many can you count? Love, can you count? Sugar, can you count? Money, can you count? Honey, I hear you saying, no, I can't. So you make the question with how much? How much love do you feel? How much sugar do you put? How much honey do you eat? How much money do you spend? Are the questions that depend. That's the way this lesson ends. How many? We use how many to ask question about things we can count. Example, two books. Students, how many is used with countable noun or plural objects like man, pan, book. Yes, we can easily count it. Let's see one example to understand it better. How many flowers are there in the vase? Yes, you can see the picture. How many flowers are there in the vase? Yes, we can count the flowers. One flower, two flower and three flower. So, we are using how many. Yes, we are asking question. How many flowers are there in the vase? And we can easily count it. One flower, two flower and three flower. That's why we are using how many. How much? We use how much to ask question about things we cannot count. Example, oil, water, gas, etc. Students, how much is used with uncountable noun or with singular object? Example, how much water did you drink? Students, we use how much because we cannot count water. Water is uncountable. Yes, so we have used how much. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with how many and how much in the sentences given below. Take the help of the picture. Dash milk is there in the bottle. Students, can we count milk? Is it possible? No, no, it is not possible for us to count the milk. So, it is uncountable. We are going to write how much. How much milk is there in the bottle? Correct? Now, let's see the second example. Dash chair are there in the room. Students, you can see the picture. There is chair in the room. Can we count chair? It is possible to count chair? Yes, we can count chair very easily. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 chairs in the room. Correct? It is countable. So we are going to use how many chairs are there in the room. Third example, dash birds are there on the tree. Students, we can count birds. Yes, it is possible for us to count the birds. Yes, we can count it. So let's start counting. One, two, three, 4. It is a countable. There are 4 birds. Correct? So we are going to write how many birds are there? Dash water is there in the bucket? Students, you can see bucket is full of water. Can we count water? It is possible for us to count water? No, it is not possible. It is an uncountable. We cannot count water. So we are going to write how much. Our answer is how much. How much water is there in the bucket? Correct? Let's revise what we have learned. We used how many and how much to ask the question. How many is used for the things we can count, and how much is used for the things we cannot count. Thank you. Keep learning and keep smiling.